Hey guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we worked on displaying the header on each page of PDF if it's multi-page. Okay. Now in this lecture, we will see how we can add or display images into prawn PDF. Images into prawn PDF can be used for different purposes. This can be a watermark, some static image, or some dynamic image associated with records. Okay, we are displaying in the PDF. For this lecture, we will work on displaying a static image into prawn PDF. Okay, so to do this, first you need to store a static image into your Rails application, and here you can see that this is the better place to store static images in your Rails application inside like app assets and images directory. So here you can see that I stored this static image into my Rails application. However, it is not necessary to store such images into your assets images folder. You can create any other directory and you just need to provide a valid path into your Rails app or where you are calling that event. Okay, so you just need to provide a proper path. Okay, so here you can see that I store the blogging ideas jpg image in my app assets images. Now it's time to display the image into the PDF. Okay, so here you can see that this is the uh, action where I write the content to write the code for previewing or downloading the PDF, and this is my PDF. Okay, so here you can see that if I have this PDF, I can only see the post title and the post description here, but no images here. So I can add some static image for now. Okay, so here you can see that this is the post title and we need to display the post title image after the post title so that it seems like there is a post title, then post cover image, and then there is a post description. Okay, so we can add the image here. So to display the image, we just need to use the image method, like we are using the text method to display the text on the PDF. Okay, so we need to use the image method here. So post PDF dot image, and here you need to provide a proper path to load your image. Okay, so what path we can use here? So first we can use like rails dot root, rails dot root. Okay, and then your path will be like app assets images, app assets images. Okay, and then the name of the image that you want to display here. So what image name I have? Blogging ideas dot jpeg. So blogging ideas dot jpeg. Okay, and then you need to provide couple of arguments with this, like at what position you want to display this image. So you need to provide the coordinates at the at position, so we can use at, and then here we can provide like let's say 500, 600, and then we can provide also the width of the image here. Okay, so width you can provide like let's say 500. Okay, save the file and first wrap the word. So go to the views, word wrap. Okay, so now here you can see that this is the part using that we can display the image over the prawn PDF. So you can again see that post PDF dot image. Okay, and here rails.root. So rails.root will find your project directory name. Okay, and then you can mention the directory name along with the image name where you stored the image into your application. Okay, I have the image into app assets images directory, and it is a better recommendation to have the images stored in this, or if you want to store images, static images outside the app assets directory, then public folder is the better way or better place to store such images. Okay, now this will display the image into the PDF. So now what you need to do, then just go to the browser and reload your PDF preview. Okay, so here you can see that blogging. Okay, so I made some type of mistake here. So blogging ideas, and now refresh the page. Okay, so you can see that this PDF is showing the image, but there is a different kind of overlapping between both images and description content. You can see that the image is overlapped at the description content. Okay, so now what we need to do, that we need to separate both image and the description content. We first need to show the image and then we will display the description content. Okay, so what we can simply do, that we can just move down the description text after the post description. Okay, so here what I can use, let's say I can use 200. Okay, so now just go to the PDF browser again and refresh your PDF preview, so you can see that 200 means I just provided this the move down to 200 pixel. Now you can see that still the image text over the image is overlapping. Okay, so what we can do, that we can just increase the size, so we can add, let's say, 300. So when I refresh the page, now you can see that there is a proper spacing, but its spacing seems too large now. So what we can do simply here, make it, let's say, 250. Okay, so it's 250 now. Save the file, and here you can see that it's a better placement now. And now you can see that the image has like much width and it is not positioned correctly. So we can change something in coordinates here. Let's say like we can add 40, then 600. Okay, so here you can manage the coordinates of the image. So make it, let's say, 35 comma 600. Okay, so now it will have more better position now. Okay, so it is now correctly defined, and you can adjust accordingly to your needs. So in this lecture what we saw, that how to display static image into a prawn PDF. Okay, now in the next lecture we will see how we can display the dynamic images, I mean the image attachments uploaded via some gem or active record into a rails application. Okay, because we are providing the PDF for the post record. Okay, and we know that in general post have some title description that we are already showing in the PDF, but post also have some uh, cover image. Okay, so we need to display the dynamic cover image of post into the PDF using active storage, and we will do that part in the next lecture. Okay, so till then, try this lecture at your end. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, stay safe.